Nice. Oh yeah.
Hello and welcome to Juicing Julie. It's time to make our DIY calcium-rich milk juice. Come right in, let's start. In today's recipe, I am starting with oranges. I have 3 oranges and 1 lemon. These 2 are loaded with vitamin C, which we know helps boost our immune system and helps our body combat infections and diseases. They are great for energy and also help to promote skin health, plus reduce inflammation in the body. It will also add flavor to this juice. Next on our list is pineapple. Now, this pineapple is halved because I've used it for a previous juice. So for this particular recipe, I'm using half of a pineapple. Now, this juicy, yummylicious tropical fruits pineapple is loaded with essential nutrients like vitamins and minerals, antioxidants that our body needs to combat inflammation and other diseases. The high level of vitamin C in pineapple does not only boost immunity and promote skin health, it also helps with bone health. And for this juice, it's going to be adding sweetness to the juice drink, making it very palatable for our consumption. Yellow bell pepper. I know you'll be wondering, Yeah, I do juice yellow bell pepper because they are loaded with healthy benefits including vitamin C and other nutrients that are great for keeping us healthy and strong. So yeah, bell pepper is going to be added to this recipe. It's going to give it not just nutrient but color. I took out all the seeds, so we're just juicing the skin. And here comes the superfood ginger. Let the ginger you up. Ginger is a superfood in all ramifications, loaded with all the necessary nutrients to keep us from head to toe healthy. So if ginger is not in your recipe, add it. Now here comes the game changer, pumpkin seeds. For best outcome, I've soaked this pumpkin seed in water overnight. That way I get the best extract out of it. This pumpkin seed will build the milk, the dairy-free milk, and very calcium rich. To see how to make pumpkin seed milk, check out the full video on this channel where I have done a DIY calcium rich milk using pumpkin seed. All prepped and ready for juicing. I also added to this recipe cucumber and parsley leaves for extra nutrients, flavor, and increased quantity. Time to juice. If you've watched up to this point, thank you. I will encourage you to like this video if you have not already. It does help promote the video. Also, if you've not subscribed, then this is the time to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss a thing. I love to hear from you in the comment section, so leave a comment for me. Come on, are you ready? Juicing starts now. Now, my precious viewer, I present to you this luscious, delicious, healthy looking DIY calcium rich and nutrient dense milk juice, all made from natural ingredients, readily available at our grocery shops. No additives, no preservatives. Be aware, intentional eating is essential for a healthy body. So choose wisely while you can. And until I see you in my next video, don't forget to make food your medicine while you can. Click on these videos that are popping up. I'm sure you find them useful. In the meantime, subscribe if you have not done so. Leave your notification bell on. Like this video. Leave a comment for me. I love to read from you. And it's bye-bye for me. Please contact your medical professional for every complex medical needs.